I'm so excited to introduce you to the Elle Studio August 2019 kit and add-ons. Let's take a look at the kit contents first. These colors this month, you guys, are just fantastic. I literally squealed when I opened up my package. And I love that some of these die cuts have all of those beautiful colors together. I love the "It's way too hot" tag. That's definitely perfect for our Texas weather right now. So there's a lot of great sayings and phrases in here that I just love. This tag is definitely one of my favorites. It's just gorgeous. The colors are spectacular. Here's another 4x6-inch tag. That would be great for like a week in the life, or if you do weekly spreads, that would be a great one to use. Just trying to grab the other 4x6-inch tag here. Hard to do with nails, but I love these pencils in the fabulous colors of the kit this month. So let's take a look at the 3x4s. I love this one. I used it on my traveler's notebook this month. That little teal. It's a great thing to add a few notes in. Here's another one that's all the colors of the kit as well as this details here one. Love that. Some hearts on a grid, a yellow one. This awesome sunglasses filler card. Days of the week, more of this. Cute pencil. We definitely have a school theme going this month, obviously, because it is back to school month for most kiddos out there. But you can definitely use this kit if you don't have a kiddo in school. Your stack of books or learning are all things you could document with this kit. So there are the 3x4s. Some really awesome tags this month, you guys. Let's take a look at all of the amazing add-ons that we have to offer this month. First up, we have the Be Yourself phrase stickers. So many awesome, affirming phrases in here. Learn something new, reach for the stars, brave spirit, fierce mind. Really love those. Really positive. These are the notebook journaling tags, and these are just great little tags to have on hand for anything, anytime you want to add some extra words to your project or you're recording school time for your kiddos. These are the On This Day in August tags, another great one for getting extra words in your projects. Next up, we have the notebook puffy alphabet stickers. How cool are these? And they have the little red line on the left and the blue horizontal line, so it looks just like a piece of notebook paper. These are the back to school puffy stickers in lots of great colors here. I love the way to go illustration. That's so cute. These are the Make Me Smile Quark circles. And I love adding Quark to my projects. I love that it's not too thick, that you can cut it very easily so you can put it at the edge of a piece of paper. They're just great to add to your layers. And they have great phrases. Makes me smile. Family favorite is one that I use this month. These are the days of the week wood veneers. Another great one to add to the top of an embellishment grouping. Then we have the TGIF wood veneers. So definitely a school theme there. Those would be great to color in. Next we have the acrylic sunglasses in beautiful colors. I just love how bright and vibrant those are. They go with the kit so perfectly. Next up for the stamps, we have the back to school stamp, and this one has some great phrases for card making on there. So if you need to make a card or a tag for a teacher, this is a great set to get. Then we have a very versatile highlights from stamp. This one has lots of great journaling spots, labels. That grid is really fun, and our design team did some really cool things with that grid. So this kit has the greatest colors this month. I cannot be more excited about this reveal today, you guys. Be sure to grab the kit while supplies last, because August is popular, and today only you can get it for $9.99. We also have an amazing array of add-ons this month that coordinate with the kit to help you tell your stories. So check out the links in my video notes, and happy creating!